What is up, my fellow gang members? So you know what the deal is, what we're doing, where we are headed to, and that is Ulta. Thanks for clicking. Welcome back to this channel. And you know, we're just gonna do a little shopping, also a giveaway. If you watched the last video, you know what giveaway I'm talking about. If you don't, I'm gonna have the rules for you in the, what are those called, the comments. But let's go ahead and get started. We're in here for not a long time, but a good time. Now, if you're into natural hair, I'm sure you have heard of the Pattern Beauty new blow dryer, but you're not gonna get me. This is not up for grabs for this giveaway. I haven't even tried it myself, but if you don't want to buy it, you want to see me review it, let me know and I got you. Anyways, on to the products, the things that you can win from the giveaway. First and foremost, this is one of my favorite products from this brand, this hydrating shampoo. It lasts me forever and it's just really great quality. This cleansing shampoo is also another great shampoo that I find myself grabbing a lot. I actually already have some right now, so we're gonna put that back, but highly recommend. I am going on vacay and I'm going to be wearing my curly hair, so I definitely want to try this travel size kit. Of course, a video on that coming soon. This mousse I've tried once before and it turned out okay. I think, you know, I could have done some better things for it to turn out a little bit better. This detangling nectar, if you don't know, now you know that you need to go buy this detangling nectar, or maybe you need to win it at the end of this giveaway. But that is like the only one and only detangling product I've ever really tried that's like specifically for detangling, and I love it. I was thinking about getting this microfiber towel, but honestly, I don't want a white towel. That just seems weird to me. One thing I really appreciate about this brand is that they have mini bottles and they also have jumbo bottles for all of the products, which is pretty rare, especially for natural hair care. So I love that about Pattern. This is a product I have not tried yet, which is this styling custard. I love a custard. I love a define and shine and hold type of product, so we're going to try that. I have not tried this paddle brush. It says it's for like drying your hair, so I was gonna get it, but I decided not to because I don't really dry my hair that much. But for the rest of these tools, the comb, the pick, highly recommended. The shower brush I love as well. This stronghold gel does exactly what it says that it does. I am a fan of it. This is the only treatment mask I know of that actually defines and elongates my curls. I love it. Top 3 for sure. So I definitely knew that I wanted to try this transition mask. This is one of the products that I was like, I'm definitely getting while I'm in here. I want to use it after I take these braids out, so I can, you know, go back to my curly hair. Their heat protectant line is also, you know, something new. I will eventually try. If you tried it, let me know how you like it. If you watched my Target giveaway video, you know I picked up some Rizzo curls. This is gonna be my first time trying. I'm so excited. The brand looks lit. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And this whole section right here seems to have a lot of things that were at Target. I know I picked up some design essentials. I've heard really good things about this shampoo. Of course, if you're not mentioning Camille Rose at Target, what are you doing? Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? Like I said, like natural hair care brands, they don't really have mini anything, which they should. Like they should market for it, but I guess, you know, girls are not wearing their curly hair on vacay. Is that what it is? I don't know, but these products are bomb. I haven't tried that conditioner, but honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with Camille Rose. Curls, I don't know. Do y'all like curls? I seen it at Target and something about it, I just like, it's nothing really that I'm like dying to try. This new Mayel line, again, not really dying to try. I did notice they had the pomegranate and honey shampoo, and I am in search of shampoos. I love shampoos, and why not try this one, because I already like this line. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. I don't know if y'all peep the buy one get 50% off, but honestly it did not take as much money as I thought it was gonna take off. TGIN, again, if you watched that Target video, you know I would have picked up this honey mask if they had it in stock, but they didn't. And here they actually have the jumbo size one, and I was debating, okay, should I get this? I've honestly have never bought any hair product in jumbo size, just because I I don't know, I like switching it up, but this mask is so good. It has me reconsidering. Like, this is me really debating, like, should I get it? And then I seen like they had the regular size one here, but it was for $18.99 and the jumbo was like $29.99. And I was like, I'm getting the jumbo. We gonna get this jumbo and we gonna see how long it takes me to actually use this. But this mask is absolute, I was about to say delicious. It's juicy for you. Again, Shea Moisture, I don't have anything to say, but I've only tried the Jamaican black castor oil line. And then we have this whole section of Diva Curl. What do I have to say about Diva Curl? Do y'all remember the scandal? I think they were getting sued at one point for like damaging people's hair. People's hair was falling out. Like, it was a whole thing. I remember binge watching YouTube videos about it. I never tried it until a couple videos ago. I tried one of their gels, and honestly, my hair was dry, and that was it. I mean, it kind of sucks that a brand's reputation is like literally on the line of people, you know, liking it or hating it or loving it or whatever. But I mean, they seem to still be going strong. I'm not gonna get anything today though. I don't know about you, but I have products that I used to like love, but I just have not used ever since. This is one of those products. I don't know, is it me? I kind of feel a way that it's called Mixed Chicks. I just feel like that's kind of the reason I've never picked it back up. What does need its whole own aisle is melanin hair care, and best believe I'm about to pick up every single item right here and drop it in the thing because I need to re-up. If y'all ever see that plumping deep conditioner, like, just go ahead and get it. Honestly, I can say the same for the shampoo and this leave-in, but I think the deep conditioner it has my heart for sure. If you like the oil, get the oil. I didn't pick it up, but the twisting elongating cream is also amazing. Bread, I've heard some really good things about bread. I've heard really good things specifically about this mask, so I definitely want to try it. And I have tried this mud mask before, and I like it. I like the style of the brand. And I still have one more use of my mud mask at home, so I'm not gonna get it today, but I do like it. It's a bit pricey. You know, if you want a real deep dive review, my initial review on this, I got a video for you. Every time I walk over to Curlsmith, I honestly just feel confused. Like, what's the difference between everything? I can say that I love this gel though. I did have to try it twice because I used too much the first time, but I do love that gel. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get it again and see if I can partner it up with a different leave-in conditioner. I've heard some good things about this jelly as well. I'm gonna try it a different time though. I know for a fact, I was like, I gotta check out Donna's recipe if I'm going into Ulta, because it's only sold at Ulta. One thing I was a little confused about is this scalp oil that's in a jar. Like, I was trying to shake it and try to understand like what is in it, and I should have just got it. I don't know why I didn't. I should have just got it, but I was like, I don't use oil, so I'm not gonna get it, but I am very curious to know what's inside of there. I wish it was just like a regular deep conditioner, but I know I wanted this leave-in. I love a good, you know, it's saying creamy, so we want that leave-in conditioner. Definitely gonna try this shampoo, and they have a conditioner with it. I, for some reason, didn't pick it up. Again, I should have just got it, but this is a newer brand. I mean, is it new? It's new to me. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna just start out with the shampoo and the leave-in, and you know, we're gonna have a video about that. I'm not gonna get any BRIOGEO today, but just to show y'all some of my faves. This line is okay, it's all right. But this leave-in conditioner is bomb.com. It's a spray. Olaplex, I have absolutely nothing to say about it because I have never tried it, and I've never actually felt the need to. I don't really think this is a like curly hair brand, but I love this shampoo and I love this deep conditioner, and that's the only items I've tried. This 𝐏𝐑𝐿, okay, I've heard so many good things about this brand, so this is my first time trying it. Specifically that shampoo, I've heard really good things. I love a shampoo. If I have not already said that in the video, and I know that I have, I'm actually gonna get another shampoo. I didn't know Ulta sold Inner Sense, but now that I know, I'm happy about it because I really love the 𝐼𝐀𝐻 gel, and now I'm gonna try this shampoo. Let's go see how much all this stuff is, what y'all think my total was. I'm gonna just tell you, it was about $305. I think I saved $70 in total, and that is the conclusion of this video. Please comment 3 products that y'all would love to have if you won the giveaway. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for supporting, and we are back with a new video next week. Love you. Deuces.